This is pretty cool. All the different experience modes. That is neat. So this is the interior of the new Countryman, and feels nice. Little storage bin right here. Wireless charging right here. The new shifter, the starter, the driving modes, everything right there. The steering wheel seems smaller than the old cars too. I like it though. Head-up display. Panorama sunroof, of course. And these seats actually are really nice with the side bolsters. Really good lateral. Kind of like the JCW seats, so this is a nice addition to the interior. I like it. And it has a B48 engine, so this is about 241 horsepower, I think, and 265 torque. So that's pretty impressive. What other driving modes we got here? Balance. What does balance do? It closes the sunroof. Why? Unless I sat on the key. No, I didn't sit on the key. So that's balance. Trail. Did the seat just bolster? This is gonna take some getting used to. Okay, I want go-kart. I like go-kart. That's cool looking. Events are different. That's really cool. And it's a power sunshade. So no more pull to close sunshade. That's cool. Harman Kardon, this one has everything in it and costs, wow, $44,895, so not too bad actually. I like it. Well, I'm gonna try to give you guys more of a review at some point when I actually get a chance to drive one. There are two that are sitting outside, so that should happen sometime soon. But in the meantime, this is a good little first encounter with the new Countryman. And all I can say is I'm pretty impressed with it already. And it's not nearly as large as I thought it was going to be, so that's a good thing. It looks very much like a Mini still, which has a lot going for it. This is just a good looking car.